Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Aopela. Welcome to Aopela UPL Teaching and Training Academy. Today we'll be looking at how to create a channel on your WhatsApp. Okay, so if you have a business WhatsApp, just go to your updates here where you have your chats, you have your updates, you have your calls. Just click on your updates, it will open and it's going to show you channels underneath. Okay, then you click on the plus channel and it will show you create channel, find channel. So if you want to find people's channel, you can also use this. Okay, but if you want to create a channel, just click on create a channel and it's going to show you this. It says create a channel to reach unlimited followers. Anyone can discover your channel. People see your channel, not you. You are responsible for your channel. So just read everything and then you click on continue. Now here you're going to be putting a picture, your channel name and the description of your channel. So let's go. So I'm going to be putting a picture here, the channel name and the description. So you just click here, you go to your gallery and in your gallery you put a picture. So I'm going to be putting this picture here. Then the channel name, I'll be putting UPL Teaching and Training Academy. Okay. Okay, so the next one is my description. So I'll be copying my description from my bio and I'll be putting it here. Then I'll click on create. You can also leave it and put it later, but I'll be putting it later. Okay, now just click on create a channel. So when you click on create a channel, this is how it will open for you. So simple and easy as ABC, I have created a channel. All right, so you can still see it here, add description, you can put it later, share your channel link, share to my status so everybody will know I have a channel. So these are followers and people start following you. With this you can start up a massive business. As people follow you, you can advertise for them, you can sell your products and you can also run ads for them. Then if you're using just the normal WhatsApp, you're going to see create a channel at the up where you saw that updates will be channel, not like this. But for business, this is how you create it. So thank you everyone and see you in my next video. Bye for now.